Hi everyone, got ourselves a fresh to the floor, and I do mean fresh. This is a 2016 Limited in Vivid Black. This was the Shriner Edition, Peace Officer Edition, and basically the only difference with that is just the gold pinstriping versus having a charcoal pinstriping or gray pinstriping. ABS security cruise. This will have a 103 cubic inch motor with a 6-speed transmission, heated grips, 6.5 GT radio, so that'll have your navigation, your Bluetooth, also has a USB hookup right there. But only 1,429 miles on this thing. That is it. And it is clean. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson, 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Or you can give us a call, of course, at 920-498-8822.